Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so I have a very anticipated video for you guys, and by the title y'all already know I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the new one size makeup removing products. Because y'all, when I saw that Patrickstarrr was launching a new line, I was like, I gotta get my coins in order because I need to order some of these products. And then to know that he launched makeup removing products, I was like, he the plug, because y'all already know, for somebody who wears makeup, y'all know the worst part about wearing makeup is having to take it off at the end of the day or whenever you take off your makeup. So I was really excited to see the new makeup removing products that he had to offer. And so on the launch date, I headed over to Sephora to make sure I was able to grab mine, and my package finally came and I have the products here with me. You guys, I'm so excited. I am such a fangirl when it comes to YouTubers or content creators or influencers launching their own brands. Like, I get so excited about this stuff because it's just like they had made these. Like, it just makes me so excited. But anywho, I'm gonna talk to you guys about these products. Okay, so first up we have this makeup removing mist spray, which I think is very innovative. It's called the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. And you guys, the red is so pretty. Like, I love this. I don't even think I want to throw this out after the fact because it's cute. So this is what it looks like. It is really pretty. It says it's an epic continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact. And y'all, I'm always in the market for a product that can help get my makeup off quick and easy because I ain't got time to go through all the steps to take my makeup off. So yes, I'm really excited to try this. And to go along with it, we have some makeup removing wipes. So these are called the Go Off Juiciest Makeup Remover Wipes. And this is what the packaging looks like. You guys, I am so excited. It says, because size matters, our giant super saturated wipes remove even the most stubborn makeup with one juicy wipe. And y'all, I be buying the cheap makeup wipes and I be going through 2, 3, how many makeup wipes to remove my makeup. So I'm glad that these are really big and claims to get all your makeup off with one wipe. So we shall see. So before I get into the demo of these products, I just want to give a huge shout out to Patrick. Congratulations, Patrick, on your new line. I'm so excited for you and excited to see all the other products you have to offer. These products are so innovative. I've never heard of a makeup removing mist spray. I think that is so cool. So congratulations to you, and I wish you tons of success on your new line. All right, you guys, so we are going to demo these products now. I am going to try them out to see if it really does remove my makeup. So here is a before of my face. I've had my makeup on now for a few hours. I did my makeup earlier on in the day and it's about late afternoon now. So I've had my makeup on for about 4 or 5 hours at this point. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so it is a demo time. We are gonna try these products out and see if they really take my makeup off. So first things first, I am going to tie back my hair because we don't want none of this product getting in our hair. So I have my little headscarf thing here, so I'm just gonna tie my hair back. Okay, so I have my hair tied back now, so we are ready to start. So I'm just gonna remove my lashes since I don't really need the wipes or the spray to take my lashes off. So I'm just gonna put my lashes off and we are going to get started. So this says, let me make sure I'm doing it properly. Direction: spray 8 to 10 inches away from face until it is evenly coated, massage into skin and gently wipe off. To remove your full beat face of makeup, pair with Go Off Juiciest Makeup Removing Wipes. These are cruelty free and vegan. So I'm going to fully spray my face with the mist and then I'm gonna, I guess, massage it in. It says to massage in, so I guess I'm going to use my hands to massage it in, and then I'm gonna go in after with one of the wipes to wipe it off, and we gonna see if it really took my makeup off. So let's try this out. it doesn't feel wet. It feels almost like a powder. It doesn't feel wet. Okay, it's wet on my hand, but it doesn't feel wet on the face, so that's kind of interesting. So I guess it's kind of working. So I'm going to massage it in, I guess. It has a really nice smell. It's a nice, like, it's just a nice airy scent. It's actually really nice. It smells nice and fresh. It has a really nice scent. I really like the scent. And all of my makeup is now on my hands, if you guys can see that. So I think it is actually taking my makeup off. Actually gonna spray a little bit more on my face and see. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the makeup removing wipe, and we're gonna wipe off this makeup. So the wipes also have a really nice smell. Like, it has just a nice airy scent that I really like. And this is a lot of makeup that's coming off, and so thick. Like, usually when I use like my regular makeup removing wipes, it's like, it's not as concentrated as this. This is actually really getting the makeup off. So I think I've gotten majority of the makeup off my face, if not all of it. Like, I am impressed. And the wipe, they say it's the juiciest wipe, but like, it's very absorbing, but it's not like wet. Like, I don't know what the technology is. It's a very absorbing, thick wipe, but it's not like wet. Like, when they say juiciest, I thought it would be very wet to get everything off, but it's not wet. Like, look at my hand. Like, it's not wet. Like, I don't know what the technology is, but it really took off all of my makeup. Like, I'm very impressed. And this is what the makeup wipe is looking like. All that makeup. And I feel like it really did get the makeup off, because like, the makeup wipe is very like concentrated with my makeup, and it feels like it was actually absorbing the makeup versus just rubbing it all over my face like usual makeup wipes do. I feel like normal makeup wipes just kind of take some off and then just move the rest around your face, but this absorbed all of my makeup. Like, literally. Wow. I am very impressed. So this is what my face is looking like now after. Can y'all see the difference? Do y'all see the difference? Because I do see the difference. Wow, I am very much so impressed. And now my face, oh wow, my face feels moisturized. Does this also moisturize your face as it takes the makeup off? This feels moisturizing, you guys. My face doesn't feel dry. You know that dry feeling your face gets after you use makeup removing wipes? My face doesn't feel dry. Okay, Patrick, I see you. My face doesn't feel dry. It feels moisturized. It's not. What has the moisture in it? Something has moisture or hydration, and my face is feeling it. Like, you could literally just do this and that's it. Patrick, what you doing with these? Okay, so you guys, this is what your girl is looking like now. No makeup, still cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just take my headscarf off now because we've taken our makeup off. So yeah, you guys, this is how the product works. I am very impressed. My face feels so moisturized. I really like how it makes your skin feel. There is some hydrating feature or technology in it somewhere somehow, which I love. Like, I really just love how my face is feeling right now. So you guys, that is it for my first impressions and demo of the new One Size makeup removing product. I am so excited to see the rest of the products that are going to be in this collection, because I'm already very impressed with this. You guys can see for yourself, my face looks moisturized. My face doesn't look dry or anything. Like, my face feels really good. The spray itself had a very nice, almost like a powder feeling. It didn't feel like I was spraying water on my face. I don't know what kind of technology this is, some special makeup dissolving mist. I don't know, you guys, but it didn't feel like I was spraying water in my face, like, or a liquid. It felt almost like powdery, like it was very light and airy, so I loved it. Both products have amazing, nice, light, fresh scents. So if you're somebody who has sensitive skin and you don't do well with fragrances, these products are going to be perfect for you, because the scent is very, very light and it's just airy, and it's just a very nice feel-good scent. I love it. And then along with that, when you take your makeup off, your face is moisturized. Like, what? Like, I literally don't even feel like I need to go back in with a moisturizer or a hide. I feel like I don't even have to go back in with a moisturizer. Like, my face is good. It's good to go. I just need a little bit of Vaseline. Wait, actually, I'm gonna put on my lip gloss. I'm gonna put on my lip gloss because we still cute without our makeup. Okay, lip gloss is on. Are we popping? Are we ready? So yeah, you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Are you guys gonna be getting these products for yourself? Tell me what y'all thinking about. Okay, let's have a little discussion in the comment section below. So comment down below, and if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you guys do not miss out on any more of my uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.